So this is how you create a colonial knot. So you're going to create a C shape with your thread, and then laying the needle on top of the thread, bring it up and underneath the top part of the C, and then using the working thread, wrap it over the top of the needle and wrap it round. So you've created essentially either an infinity loop or a figure of 8 with your needle. And then what you want to do is pull the working thread tight, so you're creating your knot, and then put the needle back into the fabric just where you came out originally, and then pull the needle through from the underside while still holding this working thread tight so that the knot doesn't unravel, and pull it all the way through, and there you have your first knot. So to show you again, bring the needle up through the fabric, create a C shape on the fabric, bring the needle on top and underneath the top part of the C, whilst wrapping this working thread around the top to create your figure of 8 or infinity loop. Pull it tight and then put the needle back into the fabric, and holding the working thread with your right hand, pull the thread through to create your knot. Now obviously I'm left-handed, so if you're wanting to do it from the other side, you create a backward C. So use my other hand, put the needle on top of the thread and bring it over the other side, and then bring your working thread over the top of the needle and underneath it again to create your figure of 8 or infinity loop. Pull it tight and then put your needle back through the fabric, and then using your left hand, hold the working thread whilst pulling the needle with your right hand from the underside. And that's how you do a colonial knot.
Yeah.